says here that pigs like to take mud baths.
Mud baths? Really? Is this opposite day?
No way! A mud bath is definitely not a thing. Oink, oink, oink. Because pigs don't take baths. Oink, oink.
Oh, that's not true, Hal. It says here that pigs take mud baths to stay cool, protect their skin from the sun, and to keep germs off their bodies so they can stay healthy.
Really? Oink?
Absolutely. And other animals take mud baths too. Hippos, rhinos, and water buffaloes all like to bathe in the mud too.
Ugh, more baths? Brrr, sweet!
Come on, Hal, just take a bath.
Yeah, we need that picture for Granny.
Howard Alexander, come down from that tree and take a bath this instant, please.
Sorry, I don't know any how. Wink, 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 wink.
Hal, bats don't make that sound.
Oh, I'm not Hal. I'm a bat. Bat sound, bat sound.
Buddy, you're just saying bat sound.
Well, although I am a bat, I do not seem to know what sound a bat makes.
Sounds like they squeak.
Oh, well then I am a bat. Squeak, squeak, squeak. And we bats do not take baths. Squeak, squeak.
It seems all animals take baths, Hal.
No, they don't. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Wait, I'm sorry, do they?
Oh, yes, they do. Listen, Hal. We're all covered up in skin, scales, fur, and feathers. Yes, it's true. If we want to keep our insides healthy, this is what we'll do. The chickens, bats, and pigs, and all the animals between, we all take some kind of bath to keep healthy and clean. Gotta take a bath. Bath, bath. Just take a bath. Bath, bath. Get your dirty self on the clean, clean bath and take a bath.
Scrub, scrub.
Keep the bodies working well. Go tell your son or daughter. Some animals, they take a bath. They take a bath with water. Water bath. Bath, bath. A water bath. Bath, bath. Don't want to feel the germs wrath, so go and take a bath. When mites and pests get on your skin, this becomes a must. Some animals, they take a bath. They use mud and then dust. Mud bath. Bath, bath. Or dust bath. Bath, bath. It all adds up. Just do the math and take a bath.
Okay. Some animals may take a bath, but we bats do not use water or mud or dust to take a bath. Squeak, squeak.
Oh, that's true. They use something else.
We do? Squeak, squeak. What do we use?
Observe.
Whoa, the bats are licking their thumbs and cleaning off their fur.
Looks like they're taking a tongue bath.
Forgive me. A tongue bath? I don't know. I don't know anymore.
Wait a minute. Sometimes I clean off my fur with my tongue.
So do I.
Huh. Me too. Okay, I was wrong about tongue baths.
Guilty as charged.
And that's considered a bath?
Like I said, it's a tongue bath. It keeps your fur and skin clean and helps keep you healthy. Ba-bam!
Well, why didn't you just say so? I love to take a tongue bath. Bathsky, picky, yucky, germs away, so tell the old and young. Some animals, they take a bath using their tongue. A tongue bath! Bath, bath. A tongue bath! Bath, bath. Get your sticky self on the clean, clean path and take a bath. A healthy bath!
Now that's what I call a tongue bath, Hal, my pal.
Thanks, I feel clean and healthy and all at the same time.
Now we are finally ready to make some magic!
Say bad.
Bye! Oh, what a sweet birthday portrait. Everyone looks so nice.
And clean. Don't we all look clean, Granny Bunny?
Very clean, Halbert Alexander. Thank you.
Now let's celebrate!
Halbert Alexander, you're a mess again.
Don't worry, Daisy. I brought my tongue, just in case I need a bath.